Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. How about you?
I'm quite well. How was
Great.
did you sleep? Yeah.
That's great. Very warm welcome to IELTS speaking session. आज हम कुछ different
जी
topics करने वाले हैं.
ओहो,
Entertainment से related questions, sports से related and photography. Right? So आज के session का goal है that you will be able to speak more nicely, more naturally without any hesitation. And as I told you, we will always practice the real IELTS question so that you can sound natural. कोई memorized statements नहीं होनी चाहिए. No robotic answers.
good
So by the
morning,
end of
ma'am.
the session, you will be able to have that confidence level that you can speak naturally. Okay? Very good morning, Mohammed. Anam, I am good. How about you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Good morning, Renuka. Yes, Mohammed.
yesterday I booked my test on 7th May. Confirm now.
Oh, wow, that's great. So you have few days.
Yeah.
Just
Yes, ma'am.
keep on practicing now. ठीक है?
Okay.
Good morning, Ashita. I'm waiting for your results. Do let me whenever you get your scores. Good morning, Gaurav. Good morning,
Good
Seerat.
morning.
Good morning, Ruxana.
How are you, ma'am?
Yes, let's hope for the best, Ashita. Now, tell me one thing. Day 1 से day 4 कैसा फील हो रहा है रिगार्डिंग स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिसेस? कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट है? कुछ चेंजेस
Yes,
है
ma'am.
while
Yes,
giving the
ma'am.
answers? किसी
Hi,
ने अपना बात
my
check
name is
करा?
Vicky. I'm sorry to interrupt you in between.
Yes, yes.
This is my first day, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm really like this opportunity to talk to you. And I'm first time, and let's see. You said this is your fourth day, but I'm here for first time. But I'm really enjoying it, and you have just started, so really thanks.
Thank you so much, Vicky. Let me just tell you that we have begun with a new course, the entire IELTS course. And first, we are beginning with the speaking module. There are 3 sessions of speaking modules. Today is the 4th one. Today, again, we will practice for only speaking part 1. Okay. Topics will be entertainment, sports, photography. So I hope you will participate, interact, and give answers.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, somebody was speaking about scores. Very good morning, Gurpreet. So, did any one of you observe your scores from day 1 to day 4? Any changes? Any changes in the confidence level, hesitation part? Any improvements? Day 1 to day 4. Who has improved? Yes, please.
Ma'am, I guess everyone.
Oh, wow. But I want answers from all. Who has improved from day 1 to day 4?
Ma'am, I improved in cue card. Like, I don't know, while speaking 2 minutes, it's very difficult to talk for 2 minutes. But the way you told to follow the sequence, it helps me to continue with the flow.
That's wonderful, Kushal. And wait for the cue card sessions also. You will definitely see a drastic change in your cue cards answer. That you will be able to speak for even more than 2 minutes. I never say 2 minutes. I say more than 2 minutes you can speak. You can expand your answers for the 2 minutes. So just wait for the cue card sessions and you will be seeing an improvement in this. Okay, Gurpreet, if you're able to speak, that's wonderful because if you speak, you will have a feedback right away. Mohammed, you're completely stuck on 5.5 to 6, but after joining the classes, You are on 7 to 7.5. Thank you so much for such a wonderful feedback. I always wait for these feedbacks that a student who was on 5, he now jumped to 7 and 7.5. That's what my main role is. To get each one of you target band 7, not less than 7. 6 and 6.5 तो कोई भी ले आता है. But 7, right? तो इसीलिए उसे लाने के लिए we need to have a consistent practice every day. Yes, everyone. Yes, definitely, Gurpreet, you will be getting by the end of the sessions. जब हम last classes करेंगे, you will have all the phrases. So don't worry about it. Okay? Yes. Anam, you were speaking something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, before starting the topic, I want that if you have any doubt, any queries, please let me know so that we can start our topic.
Ma'am, while we are giving the speaking test about the past, even we can include the future tense as well.
Yes, definitely. Kushal, speaking is informal. So here you can talk
Okay.
about past, present, and future. There's no problem. You just have to talk about the topic. When I'll be coming to the cue card topic, then I'll explain in detail that when you read the question, describe a time or describe a book you read. Okay, suppose this is your topic, and then they write a statement. You should say. They never say you must say. So that means you just have to talk about the topic, the book you read. वो पास्ट में पढ़ी, प्रेजेंट में पढ़ी या फ्यूचर में आप कौन सी बुक रीड करने वाले हो, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट एनीथिंग. ठीक है? So when we'll be coming to the cue card topic, I will explain this in very detailed manner. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Apart from this, any doubt, any query, please let me know so that we can begin. No? Okay.
No.
Yes, ma'am. I want.
Yes, please. Yes. Yes, Anam? Any doubt?
No, ma'am. I'm totally satisfied.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mohammed. So I'm repeating this for the student who has joined day 1 today, that we have to frame our answers in part 1 with the AEE technique. Now, what is AEE? You have to speak your answers in 3 statements at least. First is A means answer with direct answer. You have to answer the question directly. Suppose my question says, do you like movies? So what your answer will be?
Yes, I
Yes,
love
I
movies.
like.
really,
I like.
really
Yes
love
or
movies.
no, right? Some can say that yes, I love movies. Some can say that no, I do not like movies, right? First statement should be always about directly answering the examiner's question. Yes, I really enjoy watching movies. No, not really. I don't watch movies very often. Yes, absolutely. Watching movies is one of my favorite way to unwind after a busy day. सबसे पहला आंसर क्या होगा? डायरेक्ट. ये बताना कि आप लाइक करते हो या नहीं लाइक करते हो. Second statement, that means E will be, you have to explain. अगर आपने बोला आप मूवी लाइक करते हो, क्यों लाइक करते हो, you explain that reason. Why? अगर आप मूवी नहीं लाइक करते हो, why not? क्यों नहीं करते? You have to explain. You have to give that reason. Third will be giving an extra detail or adding an example to it. अगर आप मूवी लाइक करते हो, you can talk about a movie कि आपने कब कौन सी मूवी देखी थी. अगर आप मूवी नहीं लाइक करते, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट समथिंग एल्स कि मैं तो ये लाइक करता हूँ इंस्टेड ऑफ मूवी. सो हु विल गिव आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन?
Ma'am,
Anyone?
I'll try, ma'am.
Okay, yes, Kushal, please try.
Yes, I really love to watch movies. It allows me to feel more comfortable and refresh my mind after a hectic day of my work. Not only this, I especially include that amusement of movies allows me to laugh more. And for instance, I always watch movies with my friends nearby the theaters, especially the entertainment movies.
But you need not to expand this much. If you're speaking for 3 to 4 sentences, that is good enough. Okay,
Okay, okay.
great. So what you need to speak is, first answer will be always answering the direct part कि क्या आप लाइक करते हो, नहीं लाइक करते हो, अगर करते हो तो क्यों करते हो, सेकंड स्टेटमेंट, एंड देन एन एग्जांपल. Yes, I do. I really enjoy watching movies because they help me relax and take a break from my daily routine. For instance, I usually watch comedy movies or motivational movies on weekends with my family. So I'm giving an answer in 3-line statement. आपको हमेशा अपना आंसर, आई एम राइटिंग ऑल्सो फॉर यू सो दैट यू रिमेंबर हाउ यू नीड टू आंसर. यस, एब्सोल्युटली. ठीक है. और इवन यू कैन टॉक अबाउट आई एम क्वाइट फॉन्ड ऑफ मूवीज, आप ये भी बोल सकते हो. Then second statement will be that you have to explain. अब आप मूवी आपको अच्छी लगती है, आप देखते हो, क्यों देखते हो? As they help me relax and take a break from my daily routine. Second statement. Third statement, you can give an example कि आप मूवी कब देखते हो, कौन सी टाइप की देखते हो, and this will complete your answer. Clear? Yes, please. I know the students who are attending from last 3 days, they know how to frame the answer. But the student who has joined as a day one, they need to learn this technique, how to expand your answers in part 1 of speaking. ठीक है? English is same, but you are actually applying a better structure to your speaking skills so that you can achieve a higher band. Right? Higher band achieve करने के लिए it should have a structure because it shows your fluency and coherence. जब हमारे पास structure नहीं होता, we keep on talking, we keep on thinking about the ideas. But अगर आपके पास एक structure है, you can plan your answer. कि मुझे first answer directly देना है, जो directly बोला उसे मेरे को explain करना है, and then अगर मेरे पास कोई extra detail नहीं है, I can add my example. Clear? Yes, please.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope, Vicky,
Yes, ma'am.
it's clear to you now because you joined today. Videnita, good morning, Videnita. Rizwan, Mohsin,
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Menuka,
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Ashish, Goma, because you guys, it's your day one of the session.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now let's come to the today's topic. The topic number 1 will be entertainment. Now, first question is, I want to ask, Hashim, can you speak? Okay, what do you do for entertainment? What do you do for entertainment? Who can speak? Vatsal?
Can I, ma'am?
Who wants to speak?
Can I try, ma'am?
Please, ma'am.
Renuka, yes, please.
For entertainment, I do my favorite activities such as watching movies, because it helps me to calm and relax my mind in my free time.
That's good. Can you add one extra detail?
For instance, in weekends, I get the extra time, so I watch my favorite movie with my family members.
Hmm. You can, when you're giving an extra detail, you are actually talking about what you said before. So you can
Okay,
say
ma'am.
that I often watch comedy shows or listen to my
Action
favorite
movies.
songs in the evening. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, Usha. Usha,
Yes, ma'am.
do you like watching movies?
Absolutely, yes. I love watching movies because it not only enhance my knowledge about different aspects of life but also rejuvenate my mind from my worries.
That's good. थोड़ा सा intonation fast आ रहा है. Calm and then speak. Okay? जल्दी जल्दी नहीं बोलना. No, Iqbal, that is not possible, dear.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
next one. Salman,
Yes, ma'am.
you have to answer in 3 statements at least. What kind of movies do you like?
I don't like any movies, ma'am,
Okay, then expand. Why don't you like? That means your answer is no.
because I think it is the waste of time. I like reading book. They give me lots of idea.
Hmm. Yes. Expand more.
Okay, sorry, ma'am.
So
That's enhance my
honestly,
knowledge
I'm
and
not really into movies. I feel they are a waste for they are a waste of time.
times. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
However, I like reading books or I prefer doing something productive like reading books.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's have a chance. Ruxana.
Yes, ma'am.
Ruxana, question for you. How often do you watch movies?
Ma'am, I really love watching movie whenever I have free time. I prefer watching movie on weekends because it's great time have spend with family
Mm-hmm.
because everyone present at home.
I want you to speak this answer again after 1 or 2 minutes. ठीक है क्योंकि अभी बहुत सारे pauses आए हैं बीच में. Let's hear from somebody else. Yes, Anam, please try the same question. How often do you watch movies?
I mostly watch a movie on a weekend when we have a leisure time, and then I prefer to funny and comedy movies because it provides me a full of entertainments and happy moments. And on weekends we enjoy the movie with my friends and family. We find enjoy and full of enjoy the happy moments of life.
Happy moments already बोल दिया, repetition आ जाता है ऐसे. ठीक है, you already talk about spending time with my family with the happy moments. So I
Okay,
usually
ma'am.
watch movies on weekend. अच्छा, who was speaking before you? Sorry, I missed out. I missed out the name. आपसे पहले किसने बोला था? Ruxana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ruxana. Please speak again.
Okay, ma'am. I really watching movie on weekends because I can watch movies with my family and it provides me relaxation and entertainment and unwind uh, all burden that all stress that I have during the weekdays.
Mm-hmm. So I watch movies quite often. I enjoy them as a way to relax after a busy day. I usually watch a movie every weekend with my family. That's when I get free time and I want to relax. तो आप इसे या तो पहले बोलो या आप बाद में बोल सकते हो. Okay? 3 sentence. How often do you watch movies? You watch it on weekends, you watch every day, or you watch once in a month. आपको सबसे पहला आंसर ये देना है. फिर आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है कि अगर आप मूवी देखते हो तो क्यों देखते हो, व्हाट इज द रीजन. देन एग्जाम्पल कि आप कौन से टाइप की देखते हो, कहाँ देखते हो, किसके साथ देखते हो. हैव टू टॉक अबाउट इट. ओके.
Okay.
नेक्स्ट वन. आई वुड वनीता, कैन यू स्पीक? वनीता. वत्सल. Vatsal got on mute. Yes, Vatsal. Hardeep. Hardeep, question for you. Do you prefer watching movies at home or in cinema?
I prefer movies to watch movies at home because on the weekends I'm free and my family members also free on weekends. So at home I enjoy the movie most because I watch movies at home at free of cost.
Yes. So I prefer watching movies at home. It's more comfortable and convenient for me. Right?
Yeah.
For example,
Yeah.
I can relax on my sofa, pause the movie anytime, and enjoy it with my family. Right? Because it's more
Yeah.
convenient for you. Okay, Hardeep ki turn ho gayi. Who's next? Who wants to speak? Iqbal, can you speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Iqbal, question for you is what kind of music do you like? अच्छा, one thing. अभी
Oh,
आंसर किसने दिया था? हरदीप ने दिया था that he likes movie watching at home. If I want to listen an answer of cinema, who will give?
What was the question,
Cinema
ma'am?
as in,
The
ma'am?
question is, do you prefer watching movies at home or in cinema? So
Yeah,
at
I was.
home,
Sorry, I'm Vicky this side. I
yes.
was about to say that I like to go
Huh,
to
so Vicky,
watch
please
movie
give
at
an
cinema
answer.
only.
Yes, please. So go
Yeah,
ahead and answer the
because
question.
yeah, with if you go once in a month, I prefer to go to cinema because this is a way to outing and relax with relaxed mind, because nowadays I have seen a lot of time when we are in at home, most of the time we are busy in our phone only. We don't get time to watch full movie at home. We get time, we have short clips, we are watching that. So cinema is relaxable. If you are going out, sit there and watch 3 hour or 3.5 hours, like I watch Dhurandhar, and I enjoyed that. So cinema once in a month is good, or once, even the twice in a within 2 months, if you go one time, that is more than enough. So at home, I don't think so. In home, we can watch news only, or there's TV serial,
Vicky, you
clips,
won't be getting
YouTube,
a
that's
chance
all.
to speak this much for one answer. So you have to be very short and crisp, and you have to give
Okay,
the answer what examiner is asking. You
okay,
cannot randomly speak about watching in cinema or watching at home, comparisons and everything. You have to be answering the question directly. Do you
okay,
prefer watching movies at home or in the cinema? Directly answer. I prefer watching movies in the cinema because I really enjoy the big screen and the overall atmosphere. I usually go to the cinema once a month with my family.
okay.
I
Good.
prefer watching
Thank you.
movies in the cinema. First answer should be direct. I prefer watching movies in the cinema as it provides a more immersive experience. For instance, I try to visit a theater at least once a month to enjoy films on the big screen. That's done. You
Okay.
cannot explain in 7 to 8 sentences the one answer. Okay? Okay, now I would like to listen from Vatsal. Why you're not able to speak? Yes, please. I want to listen from you. What are your skills? I want to have a look on it. Shah.
Ma'am,
Shah, yes. Question for you. Do you prefer watching TV or using your phone for entertainment?
I prefer watching TV. I prefer using phone over TV, as it provides. I can use it in on my private space, as well as it provides mobility. I can watch anywhere. Also, while watching this, I can also engage in some productive work. So I prefer TV. So I prefer phone over TV.
but need not to speak the last statement. So I prefer, because you already spoke that in the first sentence that you prefer using your phone for the entertainment. Right? So वो repetition हो गया, because you already given the direct answer that you prefer using your phone over the TV. So do not summarize here by the last statement. So okay, ऐसा नहीं करना speaking part 1 में. You just have to end up with your last statement. I prefer using my phone for entertainment. It's more convenient and flexible compared to the watching TV. I can watch videos, use social media, and you can watch anything, right? Yes,
Ma'am,
Vatsal.
but one question. It's telling that pick one topic like TV or phone.
Yes.
Then why should pick both topic?
Sorry?
Ma'am, the question is telling pick anyone. Then
You
how should I
can make
pick
a comparison. There is no problem. The question is, do you
Okay.
prefer watching TV or using your phone for entertainment? I prefer
Okay.
using my phone for entertainment because I believe
Okay, ma'am.
it's more convenient and flexible as compared to watching TV. आपसे आपकी
Ma'am,
प्रेफरेंस पूछी जा रही है कि आप फोन यूज करते हो या टीवी देखते हो
Yeah,
फॉर
TV.
एंटरटेनमेंट.
Yes, ma'am.
तो यू स्पोक कि मैं
Yes.
फोन यूज करता हूँ बिकॉज वो ज्यादा कन्वीनियंट है एज कंपेयर टू वॉचिंग टीवी. Comparison can be done, but you have to choose one. You have to show your
Yes, ma'am.
preference. Yes.
ma'am,
Yes, who's speaking? Yes, please.
ma'am, this is Shah.
Yes, Shah.
So, ma'am, also we can in the last in the third line, like we can say occasionally we watch TV.
You can. There's no problem, but your first preference should be the direct answer.
Sure.
Okay? Good morning, Ikra. I want you to answer. Ikra, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ikra, question for you is, how do people... Okay. Did you have different entertainment options as a child? Did you have different entertainment options as a child?
Yes, I have different entertainment options. When I was a child, I use different apps for entertainment like YouTube and Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok. Because it helped me for relaxed and enjoyable.
Grammatical errors हैं. आपने start करा. Yes, I have. You should say
Okay.
I had. ठीक है?
Okay.
Because we are talking about past. So I had
Yes, ma'am.
आएगा, I have नहीं आएगा. Did
Oh.
you के साथ have आएगा, but I के साथ you have to use had. और
Okay.
last sentence में भी there was grammatical errors. So please work on the grammar part. Manpreet
Okay.
Kaur. Yes, Manpreet.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm very good.
So
And
please,
how about you, ma'am?
I am very well. Thank you so much for asking. Now answer this question. Did you have different entertainment options as a child?
Yes, of course. I have so many options as an entertainment when I was child, because I live in that area where so many community peoples are live, and there are so many children where we were used to do some physical activities like cricket, football, and so many. So
Okay, let me help you guys in this question. Did you have different entertainment options as a child? Basically,
Yes,
this question is asking कि आप कैसे entertainment करते थे जब आप child थे? They are talking about your childhood. So
Yes.
simply say, yes, I did. As a child, I had a simpler and a fewer. अगर कम entertainment के options से talk about कम. Now suppose entertainment hota kaisa tha? When we were child, entertainment was more about the physical activities, social interactions rather than the digital devices, right? I used to
Yes,
play outside with my friends, right? Or we watch cartoons on the TV. We play outdoor games. So talk about it. एक ही स्टेटमेंट को घुमा घुमा के नहीं बोलना कि I had different entertainment options as a child. क्या ऑप्शंस थे वो आपको बताना है. जब आपने बोला कि डिड यू हैव, यस आई डिड, डेफिनेटली आई हैड. ओके, नाउ आई वांट टू लिसन फ्रॉम मजू.
Yes, ma'am.
Mazu, question for you is, do you think entertainment is important?
Yes, entertainment is important because they are mind relaxing and the helping and entertainment and help.
Entertainment is helping in entertainment. Question is, do you think entertainment is important? You said yes, entertainment is helping in entertainment. You cannot use the word entertainment again, that entertainment is helping.
I'll look at. Yes, I think entertainment is very important.
Entertainment is important as it
Is
helps us, or it helps people
help
relax and reduce the
relax,
stress.
stress. Is also make our life more enjoyable and keep us happy.
Yeah. For instance, after a long day, if you're watching a movie or listening to the music, it can really refresh your mind. Okay?
Okay.
Next one. Mazu का टर्न हो गया. Sana.
Yes,
Sana,
ma'am. Yes,
now
ma'am.
let's talk about the topic number 2, sports. Question for you is, do you like sports?
Yes, definitely. I love sport as it is as it keep mentally and physically strong. For instance, I usually play cricket at the evening with my friends, which is very essential for our health.
That's good. Not our health, my health. This is
Okay,
part
ma'am.
1. You should talk about only yourself, not people and society. So I really enjoy sports, especially cricket, as it keeps me active throughout the day. I often play cricket with my friends during the evening time. Okay, who wants to answer? The next one was Mohammed. Yes, Mohammed.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Question for you is, do you prefer watching or playing sports?
To be honest, I prefer to playing sports as I played cricket in past. It make me more comfortable and I easily concentrate on my timing and easily I have a lots of spirit like I adopt the things time management as well as a teamwork.
Your answer is good. You just need to work on your fluency part. ठीक है, pronunciation और fluency पे work करो because you have an exam nearby. Please work on these 2 things. Otherwise, it's good. Manpreet, what kind of session you need with me? What queries you have? Do you want a speaking one-on-one? Are you talking about speaking one-on-one?
Yes, ma'am, I want that.
So please go to the shop section. Shop section में एक आपको option मिलेगा speaking interview with the teacher. आप उसे book कर सकते हो time slots को देखकर. Okay?
मैम उसमें आप ही रहोगे ना?
Most probably I will be taking the speaking test. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, no worries. Now Anam का turn आ गया. Mamta. Yes, Mamta?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your
Yes, ma'am.
favorite sport?
My favorite sport is Ludo, because it is a indoor game, and I and I every time I like to play with my child. It gives me more relax and feel me stress free.
Okay, one thing I want to tell you, Mamta, Ludo
Hanji.
is not a sport actually.
Okay.
Ludo is a board game which is considered to be played for fun with your family. It's an indoor game. As
Okay.
sports usually involve a physical activity,
Okay.
skills, ठीक है, जैसे cricket, football. Ludo
ठीक है
is basically about luck. There's no physical efforts in that. So
ओके
ये
मैम
games होती हैं जो लूडो, चेस, कैरम. अगर हम
ठीक है
स्पोर्ट्स की बात करें तो it comes with like we have badminton, we have football, we have cricket.
ओके मैम
हाँ, Ludo is not actually a sports. Sarth,
कैन आई
question.
रिप्लाई ओके
Yes, definitely. You want to correct? Yes, you can.
ओके मैम absolutely I like to play badminton with my child in the evening time, because in my childhood I like to play badminton. It gives me peace in my mind, and when I feel very stressed, that I used to play badminton with my friends and my child also.
Right. So it actually keeps me active, not peace in my mind. Corrections karo when you speak. Okay.
Okay ma'am. Okay ma'am,
Start
thank you.
question for you. How often do you play sports? How often do you play sports?
Yes, ma'am. I usually play sports like weekend with my friends. I'm passionate about cricket, and I always playing cricket with my friends and opponents. I love cricket.
That's it. Do you want to explain something more, some new idea?
In India, there is cricket is very famous,
No, you
and I
cannot
love.
talk about in India. This is not part 3. This is part 1.
So cricket keep me active and relax.
Manpreet, we will discuss about at the end of the session. So I play sports regularly or I play cricket regularly. पूछा जा रहा है how often do you play? Regularly खेलते हो, weekends में खेलते हो, once in a month खेलते हो. I really enjoy cricket, so I try to play whenever I get time. I usually play cricket 2 to 3 times a week with my friends. Okay? Please try and explain. Davinder Singh. Davinder, Monica, Kirti, Navjot, the students who are on mute. Vishali, question
Yes,
for
ma'am.
you. Did you play
Yes, ma'am.
sports as a child?
Yes, I play sports as a child. In my childhood, I usually play cricket. In my in can I repeat, ma'am?
Yes, definitely. You can start again.
Yes, I played sports as a child. Because in my childhood I was quite uh, enthusiastic person, and who used to play cricket in near my house, and it also helped me to give more happiness to play cricket as a child.
So yes, definitely. As a child, I was quite fond of outdoor sports, particularly cricket. I used to play with my friends regularly after school, which was both fun and energetic. So sometimes it's not required कि आपको वही statement बोलनी है जो question में लिखी है. Did you play sports as a child? Yes, I play sports as a child. No, it's not
Okay.
required. ठीक है?
So
You can
yes,
simply say, yes, definitely. As a child, I was quite fond of outdoor sports. Then you can
Okay.
talk about concert sports, cricket. Then explain about it. So this will cover your 2 sentences. And then adding an example or extra detail will be the third statement. If you're giving 3 statements to the examiner, which is required, अगर required answer दे रहे हो, that means you are addressing the task. ठीक है? He will never ask you the same question. He will never say that, would you like to add something? अगर answer नहीं मिला, he will definitely ask you. Okay?
Okay. So as a child, like can I
Yes, please.
So as a child, I used to play sports a lot. It gives me a lot of happiness to play sports. For instance, in my childhood, I used to play a cricket.
तो इसमें क्या आपने नया बोला? As a child, I used to play cricket a lot. It gives me happiness a lot. For instance, I played cricket.
Okay, it become a synonym.
Excuse me, can we start? Sorry, can we start? Yes, I did. Because, yes, I did. Can we start from here also?
Yes, exactly. Why not? You can.
Okay.
That's what I said. You need not to repeat the same statement. Ki,
Okay.
yes, as a child, I played sports. Or when I was a child, you can simply say, yes, I did. I really enjoy playing outdoor games, especially cricket. I used to play cricket with my friends almost every evening after the school.
Okay,
Okay?
thank you.
Plan your answer. Do not repeat your words. Next one.
Monica.
Monica, you did not got a chance till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then your turn. So let's have another topic first. Question for you is, do you like taking photos?
Yes, I like taking photo. Sometime I went to hill station. I take a I take a photos of nature, and sometime when I enjoyed with my family, I take a picture with my family, and I make a memories.
So you cannot say when I enjoy with my family, I take a picture. I usually take pictures during my family gatherings or when I travel.
Okay.
ठीक है?
ठीक है
The question is, do you like taking photos? Yes, I do. I enjoy taking photos as it helps me capturing the special moments. Then yours example, I usually take pictures during my family gatherings or whenever I travel. ठीक है?
Okay.
मीनाक्षी, अच्छा अगर किसी का आंसर हो no, how will you speak?
Okay. Water, cool water
Who
चाहिए
can speak about no answer? Meenakshi, can you speak about no answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
So I don't like taking photos as it's demotivate from the.
Yes,
I
please.
cannot.
Why are you taking pauses? Speak.
Ma'am, can I answer?
No, first Meenakshi will answer then.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't like to take photos when I go out. Because it makes me
Yes, go ahead. You want to say that I prefer to experience the moments directly instead of capturing them.
Yes.
यही बोलना चाहते हो ना?
Yes.
You want to experience those moments. Got it. I got your answer. But you have to speak. ठीक है? You said no, not really. I'm not very interested in photography. I prefer enjoying the moment rather than taking the pictures. Or I prefer enjoying the moment rather than capturing them. Okay?
Okay.
Next one.
Ma'am, me,
Who said me?
Manjot.
Manjot, you did not got a chance yet?
No,
Ma'am, I
ma'am, I
also
got
didn't
late
get a
today.
chance.
Sorry, who else is speaking?
Ma'am, Lavanya, I also didn't get a
Okay,
chance.
Manjot के बाद Lavanya's turn. देखो, if you're not gonna raise your hand, how will I speak? ठीक है? Some people, they are on mute, they don't want to speak even if I say the name. ठीक है, Manjot के बाद Lavanya's turn. Manjot,
Yes,
question
ma'am.
for you. What do you usually take photos of?
Okay. I'm a photophile person, so I love to capture sunsets and sunrise. Uh, I'm really fond of photography, so I really like to capture all my special moments. And whenever I got a chance, I make sure to click each and every picture.
That's great. And you use the word photophile, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Photophile is not actually commonly used in our everyday life. ठीक है?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
you can replace this word with photo lover, photography lover, even amateur photographer, photography enthusiast. ये वाले words use कर सकते हो. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Lavanya,
Yes, ma'am.
do you prefer phone or camera while actually taking the pictures?
Moreover, I prefer phone
Moreover, how can you start a question with moreover? Moreover कब आता है मुझे ये बताओ.
when I want to add some more
तो
information.
अभी आपने कुछ बोला ही नहीं और आप moreover से start कर रहे हो.
Added it by mistake.
Speak again, please.
I prefer using phone while taking photographs as I can keep it safe for more of the time in my photo gallery. But if I get a chance while taking photography with a camera, I do. Yes, I have tried sometimes while taking photos with camera and I found it quite interesting. But I will prefer using phone as I can go anywhere easily and capture the moment and relive the
थोड़ा
moment
सा
again.
repetition आ रहा है लावण्या. So you can simply say I like using both because each has its own advantage. For example, I use my phone for quick photos, while I prefer a camera for a better quality on the special occasions. जब आपको high quality pictures चाहिए होती है, then you use your camera. Right? But when it comes to convenience, we actually rely on the phone for clicking pictures. So they both serve the different purposes. Next one
Yes,
who do
ma'am.
not got a chance. Suketu. Suketu,
Yes, ma'am.
question for you is, do you share photos online?
Sometimes I share my photos in online, and sometimes I do not share in photos in online because some photos are do not good for like a internet, and some photos are good. Like that is why I share my photos.
Okay, anybody else who can speak the same answer? Mauricio. Yes, please.
Ma'am, it's good or bad?
Yes, ma'am.
That was good, but I want to have more detail on it.
Okay, ma'am, give me some example or things.
Yes, definitely. Once somebody will speak, I will rectify it. Yes,
Ma'am.
Mauricio.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the same question for you. Do you share photos online?
Yes, I definitely share photos online. It allows me to share memorable moments with my friends and parents. For example, I was posting uh, stunning photos from my last trip to Spain the last year.
So, for example, I usually post pictures on social media during the special occasions. So, question says, do you share photos online? If
Can
somebody
I try,
says yes, just give
please?
me 1 minute. So, when we say yes, I do. I like sharing photos online as it helps me stay connected with my friends and family. Then you can talk about कब आपने share करी थी pictures. If you do not like photos, if you do not share photos online, then you can say, no, not really. I prefer to keep my photos private. For instance, I only share pictures with close friends and family members. Right? Okay, next question. Who did not got a chance till yet? I want each one of
Ma'am,
you to speak.
No, ma'am. Can I try?
Who is this?
ma'am,
Let me check first. कौन रह गया?
Ma'am, Navjot.
Yes,
me,
नवजोत प्लीज. नवजोत के बाद कीर्ति का टर्न आएगा. देन उज्जैल का. Navjot,
Yes,
has
ma'am.
photography changed nowadays?
Yes, definitely. Photography has changed nowadays because of the advanced technology as people use camera to take a high quality picture so that they can upload in a different social media.
Yes, exactly. Anybody else who left? So this answer can be yes, it has. Photography has become much easier, more advanced due to smartphones and technology. Nowadays, I can take high quality photos using my phones and I can share them instantly online. Next one, Kirti.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you like taking photos as a child? Did you like taking photos as a child?
No, I did not taking photo when I was child
ना आगे बोलने की नीड ही नहीं है.
because
You can say no, not really. That's it. खत्म.
okay because the time I have no mobile phone.
आगे explain. So no, not really. I was not very interested in taking photos as I prefer playing outdoor games with my friends. Instead of just taking the photos, you were inclined towards outdoor activities. So talk about it.
Okay, ma'am.
You need to expand your answer in at least 3 sentences. Okay, after Kirti,
Now can I try? Noor,
who said?
Noor, ma'am, Noor Suha.
Yes, Noor. Is photography popular in your country?
Photography. Yes, I feel photography is like very much famous in my country, as I would see like everywhere wherever we go, like in kind of the spot places, highlighted places like malls and all. Every like people, they take pictures. Uh, as a traveler blogger, everybody would take photos.
Now, instead of saying take pictures, try to replace this word enjoy capturing pictures. Enjoy capturing
Okay.
moments. Try to upgrade your
Okay.
vocabulary every time. Always have
Yeah.
pen and paper with you. Whenever you listen to some words, just write it down on your
Yeah.
side so that you remember. So, is photography popular in your country? Yes, definitely. Photography is quite popular nowadays, especially with the rise of digital technology. For instance, I enjoy capturing and sharing moments on social media platforms. That's it. देखो, part 1 is all about you. So you have to talk about yourself. कि आप कैसे कैसे use करते हो.
Okay.
I share photos on different platforms like Instagram during my events, during my trips. Ujail Alam.
can I speak, ma'am?
Yes, Ujail. Question for you. Has photography changed over time?
Ma'am, I am not getting.
Has photography changed over time?
Yes, photography is changed in future because this time in future good qualities
No,
and
changed over time का मतलब है पास्ट से प्रेजेंट की बात हो रही है. Will नहीं बोला मैंने. अगर
yeah.
मैं बोलूं
Okay.
will photography change over time, तो I'm asking about the future part. अभी मैंने क्या
Yes.
बोला? Changed, has. So I'm talking about past और आज का. Over time means
Okay.
past से present का पूछा जा रहा है.
Okay, ma'am. In past time there is a not good qualities camera. There is this time not a good phone and like iPhone. And in past not a good camera. So this time not good qualities of phone and photograph. But in 2026, this time technology is very developed growth. So this time camera is good and this time photography is good.
So how you can reframe this answer with a good vocab? Has photography changed over time? So you said yes, definitely. You spoke about it, right? So photography has evolved dramatically with the development of digital technology. For instance, modern smartphones, they allow people to capture, edit, share the photos instantly, which was not possible in the past. Right now you can share the high quality photos because people are using smartphones. In the past I used only film cameras, whereas nowadays I'm using the smartphones to capture the moments. Okay, a person name is Mamona Mohsin. Mamona?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Yes. So Mamona,
I can
question for
give-
you is, would you like to learn photography?
Yes, I want to learn photography because I want to learn new skills with the time. So yeah.
But you need to explain more. Okay, I would like someone to answer this who did not got a chance till yet. Anyone who did not got a chance and he wants to speak. Yes, please. Dilpreet, M. Ali, Motorola Edge, Safia, जिनका टर्न नहीं आया, they are on mute. Swami, Jyoti, Videnita, Menuka, किसको आंसर देना है बताओ? Who wants to speak? Gaurav,
Swami.
Meet.
Hello. Photography is my passion. I love to take pic.
Wait. Who wants to speak first? Tell me.
And I would like to.
Swami, do you want to speak?
Yes.
Okay, then go ahead.
Yes, I love to learn photography for my hobby. In future I want to learn photography for the income purpose as well as my hobby.
Please do not interrupt in between. Manpreet, please mute yourself. Yes, Swami, please concentrate and speak again. Sorry, I missed out due to interruptions.
Yes, really I love to learn photography. For instance, it is my hobby also. In future, it give income to adding my future.
In future, it add income to my future. This is a repetition. So when question says, would you like to learn photography? Yes, I would. I think it's a useful and a creative skill. For instance, it would help me capture memorable moments during the special events. और
Okay.
अगर किसी को नहीं करनी, how they can give the answer? No, not really. I'm not very interested in photography. I prefer enjoying the moment rather than focusing on taking pictures. अभी हमने ये आंसर करा, right? So
Okay.
please plan your answer. आपको अपने आंसर को प्लान करना पड़ेगा in the part 1. You have to speak. First, direct answer. Second will be the explanation. And third can be your example. Right?
Okay.
Yes. Clear, everyone? And Swami, your intonation is going flat. You need to show that up and down of your pitch when you speak. Clear?
Okay. ma'am.
I
Okay.
really want you to practice on this part because I know that you have been attending the sessions. The last course also you were present there.
Okay, madam. Okay.
Yes, great. Now I want all of you that we have practiced 3 topics today: sports, entertainment, and photography. There are many more. I believe tomorrow is a mock test day. So tomorrow what you have to do is you will be answering different topics, different questions. I want each one of you to answer because I'll be taking the mock test tomorrow for only part 1. So focus on the vocabulary also because we are now upgrading. This is day 4. जैसे taking photos को capture करते हैं, capture memories, high quality image, advanced camera features, talking about creative skills when it comes to photography, right? So make sure कि जब हम बोले, हमें 3 सेंटेंस बोलने आ गए, अब हम क्या करेंगे? अपग्रेड करेंगे. We will not choose the question. Question को repeat नहीं करेंगे जब हम अपना first sentence बोलेंगे. No one word answer. Yes. So please AEE का use करो, directly answer करो. जो भी आपको लगता है कि when you are speaking, fix करो उन problems को, simple बोलो, continue करो speaking को. You cannot stay still, and if you're not gonna speak, how the examiner will evaluate you, right?
Ma'am,
So
I have a question.
I want an honest feedback from you all. Did you all speak today?
Yes, definitely.
Which
Yes, ma'am.
topic was the easiest for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Photography one.
Yes. Confidence level
Entertainment.
increase हुआ from day 1 to day 4?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. I really want my students to have that confidence level when they speak. No pauses, no confidence. Pitch should be high and low when we speak. ऐसा नहीं कि चिल्लाते हुए बोलना है. That is not the high pitch. We have to maintain our tone when we speak. Intonation बहुत matter करता है आपके pronunciation के band parameter. आपकी fluency, आपका coherence, your grammatical error, your sentences, all these will be evaluated in the speaking module. Okay?
Ma'am, how to get a vocabulary and also like synonyms improving, like inside a sentence?
See, when it comes to when you're speaking, try to improve. पहले simple sentence बोलो. Then look how I can upgrade it. How I can
Okay, ma'am.
change my little vocabulary to that. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
First, try to speak. First target should be that you're able to speak for at least 3 sentences, giving the
Okay.
required answer. ऐसा नहीं कुछ भी blah 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 बोलते गए 4 बार एक ही लाइन को paraphrase कर दिया. No. That's not what the examiner wants from you. Okay?
Okay.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Can I use 5 words in task 1?
5 words in task 1. Sorry.
Ma'am, PHILE words. Like I use today photo file.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Can you task 1 writing you're talking about?
No, ma'am. Speaking.
तो speaking में तो I told you ना, you can use a different word.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Okay, wait. Let me first check the chat box. Then it will come to you.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah, just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute.
I have a question.
Yes, please. I'm saying just give me 1 minute. Okay, Anam, because I was getting questions in the chat box since the session started. Anam, your question was difference between atmosphere and environment. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
So आप बताओ मुझे environment क्या होता है? What do you think environment is?
मैं माहौल को जो हमारे इर्द गिर्द हो उसे एनवायरनमेंट कहते हैं.
Mm-hmm. Environment means the surroundings, the nature, the physical world, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
when it comes to atmosphere, what you can say for atmosphere? Yes, anyone who knows about atmosphere, atmosphere क्या होता है?
मैम जो वेदर कंडीशंस होती हैं.
वहाँ
मैम जो वेदर कंडीशंस होती हैं.
a person, please speak at once. Yes.
Atmosphere is mainly
Air and
mixture of
environment
gases.
Okay, let's Kushal
Air.
speak. Yes, Kushal.
Atmosphere is mainly combined of a mix of gases and air. All those things is called atmosphere.
Atmosphere is basically, yes, who's speaking?
That is what is atmosphere.
Ma'am, atmosphere to informal English में भी use कर सकते हो.
Mm-hmm.
Like it was great atmosphere attending that event.
Yeah, so basically it's talking about describing the places, the experience, whereas environments is used for the topics. Like if I talk about aisles, pollution, nature, ऐसी जगह पे use होता है. So you cannot use it together. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot use it as
Even
a synonym.
atmosphere,
Hmm.
even environment also same like that only, right,
Yes.
ma'am? We can
You
use
cannot.
any.
Shah, you can answer 4 to 5 sentences. That is good. You can speak, but there should not be any repetition. You
No, ma'am.
can. But actually,
Ma'am,
the
एक
thing
और
is, we actually recommend 4 to 5 sentences in the part 3. Okay?
okay, ma'am.
If you
Ma'am,
want
एक
to
और
stretch,
question.
you can stretch. There's no problem. But it should be according to what question is asking you. Sometimes
ma'am.
when we stretch our ideas, it comes to repetition of the idea. So वो repetition नहीं दिखना चाहिए. Okay?
Sure, ma'am. मैम एक और क्वेश्चन था.
Yes, please.
मैम जैसे एक क्वेश्चन था, has photography changed nowadays?
Mm-hmm.
मैम am I audible? और एक और
Yes, yes,
क्वेश्चन
you're
था
audible.
कि has photography changed over time? मैम क्या दोनों क्वेश्चन को सिमिलर टाइप से टैकल भी हो सकते हैं? क्योंकि
देखो
एक है
now,
ओवर टाइम तो पास्ट पीरियड.
yes, exactly. The question was actually the same. Even I was actually looking for some student who can just catch it. Nowadays, अभी कैसी है photography? So basically, you're talking about past और अभी का comparison. Changed over time means again you have to talk about past and present का comparison. Okay?
Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Anybody
Ma'am, I have a
else?
question.
Yes, Rizwan.
Previous lecture can
Manjot,
attend.
देखो file words are okay, but these words are formal and they are actually uncommon in speaking. Speaking हमारी informal होती है, formal नहीं होती. ठीक है? तो जो common हो और natural words हो वो आप use कर सकते हो. बहुत सारे फाइल वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जो थोड़े टेक्निकल होते हैं, डेली कन्वर्सेशन में आप उन्हें यूज नहीं करते, वो अननेचुरल और मेमोराइज से लगते हैं. ठीक है? तो आप स्पीकिंग में जितना सिंपल नेचुरल वर्ड्स यूज करोगे, दैट इज गुड.
Ma'am, I have a question. Can I ask?
Yes, please. Yes. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me just check the chat box. Rizwan, you can't attend previous classes. How to cover previous lecture? देखो अभी तक आपकी 3 classes miss हुई हैं रिजवान, तो वो आप देख सकते हो. 4th class आज आपने attend करी है. Be regular in the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
classes. Okay?
How cover कैसे?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Mohammed.
I
Now
have one
please
doubt.
speak. Wait, Mohammed, please speak.
Ma'am, basically my question is about
which country I want to go.
Your voice is very
Basically,
low.
I need
Sorry,
to.
your voice is very low. Rest, everyone, please mute yourself.
Basically, my question. Basically, my question is because which country have greater opportunities for part-time jobs and less
So
tuition
sorry,
fees like
Mohammed,
that?
I cannot answer this question as I'm not into this part. So it's really difficult for me to answer this question. Okay. Manjot application में already computer based reading available है. Please have a look. Okay. Now I want all of you to start practicing from the application for part 1 because tomorrow is your mock test for part 1. एप्लीकेशन में जितने भी टॉपिक्स गिवन है पार्ट 1 के प्लीज आज उन्हें प्रैक्टिस करना. इट विल हेल्प यू टू गेट अ बेटर बैंड स्कोर. किसी का भी एग्जाम अगर नियर बाय है प्लीज एक्सप्लोर द बेबी कोड वीजा सर्विसेज. You will get a better understanding of your options, services, exams, everything. And please, new students, do not forget to click on the remind me button for the next class so that jab bhi class start hogi, you will get a notification and you will not forget to join. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have one doubt.
And you can
Any
even
new
share the
update have come?
application with your friends. जिन्हें भी IELTS करना है classes के लिए and even the use of application. Yes, please.
Ma'am, any new update have come or not in IELTS?
No, not now. Nothing. इकरा
And
कल
also
मॉक
one
टेस्ट में
doubt.
बैंड स्कोर्स इसलिए नहीं मिलेंगे आपको क्योंकि इट्स ओनली फॉर पार्ट 1. यू विल ओनली गेट अ फीडबैक.
ओके मैम.
ओके
मैम एप्लीकेशन में पार्ट 1 का कहाँ पर
just
है?
check.
Only part 1.
There are different topics for part 1. Please practice that. Okay.
Excuse me,
मैम मैम अपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स सुनने तो यहाँ पे अपने रिकॉर्डेड में है.
Yes, आप IELTS क्लासेस में जाओ, उसमें स्पीकिंग में जाओ, वहां पर आपको तीनों सेशंस मिल जाएंगे. नहीं तो आप YouTube
ठीक
पे
है मैम.
चैनल पे भी देख सकते हो. YouTube पे प्लेलिस्ट मिलेगी आपको 16th April की. That's the new course
Okay.
playlist. Okay. And please share your feedbacks on the YouTube and even on the application. Okay.
Okay.
Excuse me,
See you all
ma'am.
tomorrow. Bye
Excuse
bye.
me.
Take care.
Excuse me.
Yes, Ruxana, do you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
please.
I am unable to buy IELTS program.
Are you from
It's not
Pakistan?
working.
Are you from Pakistan?
Yes, ma'am.
Just
Yes,
take
I'm
a
from
help of
Pakistan.
anyone who is from Pakistan, or else you can try with Mohammed tomorrow. He will be helping you out. He's from Pakistan only. So
It
you
said,
can
yeah,
take
it
the
said
help.
it's not
You can
working.
take the help. There are so many students from Pakistan. You can definitely take a help from them. Okay?
Okay, thank you. Bundle of
No
thanks.
worries. Bye. Take care.